Hey friends, so how to remove a wall sconce. These basically just has these little screws here on the back, and we're going to unscrew those. Yeah. One's off. Of course, it runs and hides anywhere it can. And I'm going to just use my voltage tester just to make sure that no, we don't have any hot wires here. Okay, take this off. And we are good. All right, so next thing is we just unscrew these and just got to pull that down and pop it out. Doesn't really want to come out of there. There we go. I'll just unscrew that. And that one's good. Work this one out. And that one's off of there. Okay. And then I have the ground. And that comes off. That's all you got to do, my friends. Super easy. Even I can do it. And there we have it. So there's our wires. And we're good to go for our next sconce.